Robin and I came down. It's Sunday the 4th of July. We came to Tuscaloosa to watch the fireworks show. And we got here a little early and walked on the river walk. And I told her, I said, Robin, that sounds like a train about to come across the river. And sure enough, we're here at the old trestle on the Northport side of Black Warrior River. And we got a train coming. This will be the first time for me catching one that's coming across. Yeah, that's a Canadian National engine there. This train trestle right here is the oldest one in the United States still in operation. The oldest wooden one, I mean. The bridge going over the river is iron. Coming on across. Oh, he's gonna stop. That's pretty neat. I hope he knows he's fixing to get to see some fireworks. Oh, now he's backing up. Train yard's right across the tracks. I mean, not across the tracks, but across the river. Probably, I'd say, a quarter of a mile. So he may be picking up some more cars to come out with. That's pretty neat video and share. Y'all hope everybody has an enjoyable 4th of July. Remember, it's our country's birthday. Enjoy your fireworks.